Ang kantang ito ay nihatid sa inyo ng Unique Toothpaste. It's your toothpaste at your price. Kaya approved ng Philippine Dental Association.
IFM ay aking best friend.
Max, pinasarap ang araw mo sa Max's Restaurant. Subukan ang sarap to the bones Max's Fried Chicken. Ang chicken na walang katapat, nagawa sa secret recipe na di magaya ng iba. Walang kaduda-duda. At hindi lang yan. Pwede ka pang mag-celebrate dito ng wedding, birthday, baptismal, debut, seminar, and other occasions. Kaya sa Max's Restaurant, king sa pagkain, sa iba'y bitin. Sa Max's Restaurant, wala ka nang hahanapin. Max's Restaurant, General Segundo Avenue, Lawag City. Open 7 a.m. daily. We serve branch specials like Ilocos Bagnet, Dinakdakan, Igado, Longganisa, and Pinakbet. Call 772-1302 or 607-0233 or 770-3026.
Meron akong ibabalita sa iyo, sweetheart.
Ano yun?
Sa Studio Technique, digital printing na sila. Mas mabilis at maganda ang pagkagawa ng mga ID pictures like passport, visa, 1x1, 2x2, at 3 poses studio portraits sa murang halaga lang. Pictures na black and white pwedeng gawing colored at mga lumang pictures kaya nilang gawing bago kahit walang negative. At heto pa, sweetheart, mga pictures na kuha sa cellphone at digital camera kaya na nilang i-print.
Kung ganoon, sweetheart, papaprintin ako sa Studio Technique.
Pero di lang yan, sweetheart. Nagbebenta rin sila ng camera, videotapes, and cassette tapes, films, batteries, and picture frames. Tumatanggap din sila ng plastic ID lamination. Tandaan mo, sweetheart, digital printing na ang Studio Technique ngayon.
The Studio Technique, General Segundo Avenue, tabi ng St. Peregrine Pharmacy, Lawag City.
Take a great pause and avail their Barkada and Pang-Estudyante package at reasonable price.
Paano na to? Gustong-gusto ko mag-aral pero ayaw ko namang i-give up ang work ko. Palagi na lang ba ako maiipit sa sitwasyon na kailangan kong mamili? Anong pipiliin ko?
Tama ng drama dahil sa Visa Trust International Incorporated, hindi mo na kailangan mamili between work and schooling. Dahil dito sa Visa Trust International Incorporated, ang work at study mo ang aming #1 priority.
Totoo ba yan?
Tama, dahil ang Visa Trust International Incorporated, mapa-professional or undergraduate ka man, basta 18 to 52 years old ka, ay siguradong pasok ka sa kanilang Study Work to Migrate program in New Zealand.
Interesado ako. Paano ba ito?
Punta ka lang sa 3rd floor, LC Square, JP Rizal Street, Barangay 9, Lawag City, near Dapayan, and look for Miss Anne. At para sa mga iba pang detalye, pwede kang mag-text or tumawag sa kanilang contact numbers 0906-338-6352 at 0998-188-0124. Visa Trust International Incorporated. Find options towards your dreams.
Smoke emission test ba? Huwag mong problema. Lawag Emission Test Center. Equipment ay bagong-bago. Pasado sa Bureau of Product Standards at Clean Air Act at tamang-tama ang calibration. Lawag Emission Test Center. Malapit lang sila, kaya walang malaking abala. Visit Lawag Emission Test Center, General Segundo Avenue, Lawag City, north of DWCL, or call 770-4131 and 770-4190. Lawag Emission Test Center, accredited by LTO and certified by DENR.
Madami talaga kapansin kung bakit na gumaganda ang face at skin ko. Ang sikreto ko? Yushey. Yushey Skincare Products is excellent for skin irregularities like acne, pimples, warts, old skin, open pores, blackheads, whiteheads, oily face, discoloration, and pigmentation. Kaya ano pang iniintay mo, bes? Punta na sa branch outlets ng Yushey Ilocos.
Shop now at the newest and the hottest department store in the heart of Lawag. Department Store, Rizal Street, Lawag City.
Ito ang 99.5 IFM, ang music station ng RMN sa Lawag City. 99.5 IFM, ang best friend mo. Ang best friend mo.
IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. Kapag nalulungkot, pinapatawa mo. Pag may
problema ko, the best na magbigay ng payo. Enjoy palagi sa jokes mo at sa drama. Ang radio station ko na best friend sa lungkot at saya. Anong mang oras, araw-araw, busy man o relax, pinapakinggan ko ay ikaw. IFM, IFM, ikaw ay aking best friend. Best friend kong kakulitan, karamay katsikahan, tapos sa kwentuhan at tutugan. IFM, ikaw ay aking best friend. Sa'yo laging nakikinig, number one ka sa akin. IFM ay aking best friend. IFM ay aking best friend.
99.5 IFM, ang best friend mo.
Ang kantang ito ay atid sa inyo ng Pride with Fabcon. Ituloy ang bango with Pride.
How can I convince you what you see is real? Who am I to blame you for doubting what you feel? I was always reaching, you were just a girl I knew. I took for granted the friend I have in you. I was living for a dream, loving for a moment, taking on the world. That was just my style. Now I look into your eyes, I can see forever. The search is over, you were with me all the while. Can we last forever? Will we fall apart? At times it's so confusing, the questions of the heart. You followed me through changes, and patiently you'd wait till I came to my senses through some miracle of fate. I was living for a dream, loving for a moment, taking on the world. That was just my style. Now I look into your eyes, I can see forever. The search is over, you were with me all the while. Now the miles stretch out behind me, loves that I have lost, broken hearts lie victims of again. Then good luck, it finally struck like lightning from the blue. Every highway's leading me back to you. Now at last I hold you, now all is said and done. The search has come full circle, our destinies are one. So if you ever love me, show me that you give a damn. We'll know for certain the man I really am. I was living for a dream, loving for a moment, taking
konnichiwa. Lipat nga pala ako dito, sa tapat ng bahay mo.
I was down, my dreams were wearing thin. When you're lost, where do you begin? My heart always seemed to drift from day to day, looking for the love that never came my way. Then you smiled and I reached out to you. I could tell you were lonely too. One look and then it all began for you and me. The moment that we touched, I knew that there would be two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight.
Ay, kita mo bang bulag ako?
Eh, na naman kung bulag ka. Ako naman na magsisilbing mata mo eh.
Just to think what I might have missed. Looking back, how did I exist? I dreamed, still I never thought I'd come this far. But miracles come true, I know, 'cause here we are. Two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight.
Tangos ang ilong mo? May bigote ka? Alam mo, feeling ko ang pogi-pogi mo.
Bulag ka nga.
Tonight I fell in love with you, and all the things I never knew seem to come to me somehow. 'Cause baby, love is here and now. There's two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight. It's gonna be fine. I just can't believe you're mine. Something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people. Two less lonely people. Two less lonely people in the world tonight.
IFM
Hashtag.
Even though it's been so long, my love for you keeps going strong. I remember the things that we used to do, a kiss in the rain till the sunshine
best friend mo at best friend ko. Magandang morning, Friday morning manin. It's Papi Shanty sa inyong mga radio sets. At ngayon po ay inyong matutunghayan na naman ang ating hashtag. Hashtag ang ating programa. Hashtag, ang ating hashtag today is ngayon na. Ngayon na ang araw ng sweldo. Meron na ba? Kawansapan? Okay, ital na. Siguro, dahil tatad, ha? Hindi pwedeng hindi ngayon ibigay dahil today is September 29. Sa mga nag-celebrate na ng mga birthday. Happy birthday! O, maki-hashtag ka na. Once again, ang ating hashtag is ngayon na. Best friend sa IFM. Ang best friend mo, Supaya.
Baya!
IFM ay aking best friend.
Si Daniel Padilla to, and it's Swift Mighty Meaty time.
Kaya ko kahit ano, handa na para sa mundo.
Ang Swift Mighty Meaty hotdog ay meat-loaded at nagbibigay energy, kaya magugulat ka sa magagawa mo.
Malaman ang bawat bite, puno ng meaty hotdog bite. Swift Mighty Meaty, Swift Mighty Meaty, Mighty Meaty.
Kaya mong maging mighty, Swift Mighty Meaty.
Hey, Rocky, kayam ti Red Horse Beer.
Ata na pasabakan, hanya ay ayam datoy. Seryosohan daytoy dre, sa balit i-diskarte. At dakati gusto nga edad at tagtrabaho kan. Bukwang timay sa case nga beer, sumbat niya stisel. Red Horse extra strong, the #1 beer.
Drink responsibly.
Big Time Kan. Kaya mo ni Dag Red Horse Beer. #1 beer. Dayto.
Pride with Fabcon. Ituloy ang bango with pride.
Ang bango-bango, ang bango-bango, ang detergent ko.
Sa babanguhan ng detergent with Fabcon, ano nga bang mas gusto? Ayon sa research sa Metro Manila, halos 80% ng mga misis mas gusto ang bango ng Pride with Fabcon kaysa leading brand even after 24 hours. Dahil ang Pride may tuloy bango microbeads para sa bangong tuloy-tuloy buong araw.
Tuloy-tuloy bango.
Kaya misis, tuloy na sa Pride with Fabric Conditioner.
Tuloy-tuloy bango ng Pride with Fabcon ko.
Ituloy ang bango with Pride. Pride with Fabric Conditioner manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
After 50 years of experience, we bring you Transworld Auto Supply. Get ready for the newest kid on the block. Transworld Auto Supply, providing the best quality, most competitive price, and the most satisfied service. Transworld Auto Supply. Sir
Ilocos, Barangay 16, Payas, San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte.
Ikaado nga papanan, marigatan ka pa yan nga agpanunot, iti suot mo. At agasen, nanginamet launay, no kanain ka nga gisibro. Ngimitan, at tuyen iti case closet. Adun ti pagpiliam, nalalaka pa yan, dagiti magatang. Brand new or pre-love. Pudno nga makayayon dagiti presyo da. Dayta iti case closet. Kas kumay ti pantalon, ada sexy, high waist, cargo, kinaduma-duma pa yung style. Shorts, blouses, t-shirts, dresses, caps, ken bags, para iti amin nga edad. Dito'y case closet mon nga masarakan. Nakalukat iti alas 9 iti bigat, aging gana iti alas 5 iti malem. Ti case closet, ket masarakan along Airport Road, Barangay 44, Zamboanga, Lawag City. Abay laing iti Fiesta Gas. For more information and orders, sa pulen laing iti Facebook, Case Closet, Bueno Maridel Tolentino Alejo. Can text or call 0995-561-5809 or 0906-502-5357.
Ako na ang partner ko, sa kusina'y walang iba. Uling-uli niya ako malasa. Kahit anong lutuin ay winner talaga. Sumasarap lahat pag nandyan ka. Saw mo, mga pagkain gusto mo. Yummy, yummy, sarap nito. JB, bagoong panalo.
best friend ko. IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko.
Thought I heard your voice yesterday. IFM hashtag.
Saying I love you is not the words I want to hear from you. It's not that I want you not to say if you only knew how easy it would be to show me how you feel. More than words is all you have to do to make it real. Then you wouldn't have to say that you love me, 'cause I'd already know. What would you do if my heart was torn in two? More than words to show you feel that your love for me is real. What would you say if I took those words away? Then you could make things new just by saying I love you. More than now that I've tried to talk to you and make you understand, all you have to do is close your eyes and just reach out your hands and touch me. Hold me close, don't ever let me go. More than words is all I ever needed you to show. Then you wouldn't have to say that you love me, 'cause I'd already know. More than words. More than words. IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko.
Best friend mo at best friend ko, 45 minutes pakalipas ng alas 9 ng umaga. At punong-puno pa rin, ha? Punong-puno pa rin ang labahin mo ngayon, ang labada. Parang bundok ng Chocolate Hill sa Bohol. Eh ngayon, bundok ng, sa bahay ninyo. Bundok ng IFM. Going back sa ating hashtag ngayong umaga, mga best friend, ang ating hashtag, sabi ko kanina, ngayon na. So, ngayon nyo na-send, ha? Ngayon nyo na-send sa ating dalawang text lines. At, teka muna. May problema tayo sa isang text line natin. So, doon muna kayo sa 0919-3776995. Kapkablaawak man, kung na natin iti kakadwak nga napopogi. The Jeff, tsaka si Roldan, Rodel, and RJ, nga madamati ito gawda. MHE, Bricks, Bradford, Kalanasan na Payaw. Hello sa inyo lahat dyan, ha? As far as Kalanasan na Payaw, magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Gusto kong pumunta dyan, eh. Pero yung boses ko lang nakakarating. Siguro one time, hiking. Hiking Tindian. Ngayon na ulit ako makakaranas ng ganito kasaya. Sabi, sa tanan ng buhay ko dahil ako ay inspired. That's coming from Maricel Pablo Mateo. Hi sa'yo, Maricel. Si Paolo naman, sabi niya, ngayon na ako mag-uumpisa. Ng pagbabago. At yun, ha? Si, ano naman yun, Paolo, sa kanyang mga kaibigan. Hello daw, magandang araw. At si Claire, ngayon na ako uulit at magtitiwala at magmahal ng lalaking simula noong niloko at pinagmukha kong TAN. Sagwa naman, ano, mapait na karanasan sa pag-ibig, Claire. Maganda yun. Tsaka yung mga ALSI students. Si Jerry Belsa, ngayon na mga nakasama ko, dadalhin ko na sa hospital sa masalhin mo na, ha? Baka mamaya malate na siya, ha? Okay. Jerry Belsa, maraming salamat sa'yo. Tsaka si Margu, ang sabi niya, ngayon na. Ngayon, alam mo na may mahal na siyang iba. Paano ang puso niya, sabi? Nabihag mo labis. Ano bang kanta yan?
Gulat ka sa magagawa mo.